Alright, so we have to update our scores here and see what our credit score is. I was predicting that it was going to go down this month. That's with a T. Alright, but let's see. What do we have? Alright. So we know we got 630. Woohoo! 600, 615. I did pay down my credit card a little bit, so I'm like at 60% on it, I want to say. Alright, but let's go ahead and update the score and see what we're looking at. We're doing a quick video today because I gotta make some more videos. I'm having a lot of videos, and yeah. So I'm gonna make a quick one of this bad boy just to update it. Alright, let's see if we're going up or down. Boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Alright, let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh snap! It freaking went up! We're almost to 700 points. That is freaking awesome. So we paid down a credit card, and it made a huge difference, a huge impact on the score. And not to mention, I also used my credit also to get some stuff from T-Mobile, not T-Mobile, from Verizon. And so they helped also. They had paid down payment on my phone. And I had to get a new phone. All right, I wonder if I can see here. Of course, I know I can see here. Let's look at the credit insight. See what we got here. This is still showing poor, excellent. So we still got to pay down our card here. Wow, that's still reporting high. So 50%, so let's point at 51%, point at 34, point at 51. So we're going to get that. We're going to try to get that down to 0% here. So these are two we're trying to work on here. We're trying to work on paying down debt, and we're trying to work on payment history here. So that's the two that we're trying to actually work on and get this up and running, not up and running, up and good standing here, because this is good, excellent. New activity, have many activities, so that's excellent. But you know, I am planning on getting 2 more credit cards, so obviously that's going to skyrocket up. But yeah, these are 2 we plan on getting here, and that's pretty awesome that we managed to get our score up there that high. Look at that, good. We're at good now. We have good, fair. So our credit is actually going up pretty well, which is awesome. We have the things that we're using here. Hey, I'm gonna put in next month's video for sure. Like I said, this is gonna be a short video. We're using Extra, we're using Self, and we're using Credit Strong. Extra, Self, and Credit Strong. Extra, Self, and Credit Strong. Those are 3 we're using to build our credit. On Self, we're using Self with the loan plan where we're doing a year, paying $150 every month, and we get that back after a year. We're also using the Self credit card, so we're getting payment history from the Self loan, so that's in the credit. We're getting a credit history from the credit card, and also we're going to get our credit down lower. So that's 3 hits on the Self right there for positive impact to credit. Extra is like everyday debit purchases, which are going to hit our credit account. So we got that, and we have Credit Strong also, which going to our account as a business or installment loan, a business loan. So we got that. But just sorry this is gonna be a video so short. I do hope to see you guys next month here when we do make another video. My credit journey, see how we're going up, and pretty much it's just a straight shot from now. I'm going to go into a lot more detail next month. I'm trying to make a lot of videos right now because my computer is going out. The screen is flashing. So I know to upload good on YouTube, but for me, the screen is going in and out. So I'm trying to hurry get this done before I'm running out of the computer. But next video will be more detailed. We're going to cite what we're doing, how we're doing it, and things that you could do to build up your credit. All right, I will see you guys next month.